Well, they have a new improved version now, which is linked up to the internet, and you do talk to other people.
But I'm sitting here, my room, it's so cool. I'm sitting at a bench, and I'm reading my book, and I'm looking at this car. And it's going, it stops right in front of you. It's like, wow. And I said, no, I don't think so. You told us
And I know you have these whole grain baguette, half baguettes. Some of them have sweetness in those, no? Or some of them. Okay, give me in one bag a multi-grain, a cranberry, and a plain one. And in another bag, 2 plain ones.
That's especially what they can study. Potato, white beans, green,